This company makes underwater robots that clean ships. From groceries to gasoline, Global Shipping delivers the essentials we depend on every day. And that efficiency starts with a ship's hull. It determines how smoothly a vessel moves through water, how much fuel it burns, and how long it can stay in service. Over time, a ship's hull is affected by biofouling, which is, well, I'll let Anjali explain.
So biofouling is basically the buildup of organisms or algae on the surface of some type of substrate. It can be, a coating, a vessel, it could be a bridge, whatever's in the water. Typically, if anything's in the ocean, there's stuff that's going to grow on it, and that's what we consider biofouling.
Since these ships stay in the water for years at a time, small amounts of biofouling, called microfouling, is constantly happening, which means ships need to be cleaned frequently. But the traditional methods are slow, costly, and inconsistent. Fleet Robotics is exploring a different approach.
The original nexus of the idea was around this concept of eliminating downtime for large infrastructure assets. Our idea was, could we add these autonomous robotic endpoints that continuously crawl around these assets and give you real-time data and ability to respond to issues in real time.
So they are designing a swamp of robots to crawl around the ships and clean its hull. But how do you make a robot stick to the side of a ship?
This is an EPM, or electropermanent magnet.
So each robot has 12 of them, 6 on each side, that it uses to adhere onto the surface. So as it's walking, one side stays adhered, the other one is lifting and moving, and it basically just steps. It has like 6 toes, if you will.
And these EPMs are really strong.
I think we did the math, it's like about 3 cows. We could lift 3 cows with the robot, roughly.
As these robots crawl around the ship, they scrub away the microfouling. But they are doing something else too.
Every step we're taking on the vessel, we're collecting data on coating thickness, just hull integrity data, and that's part of the value proposition that we have with ship owners. It's not just keeping your ship clean, but also the enormous amount of data and insights that we can capture that aren't currently available.
In January of 2025, Fleet Robotics received a $365,000 M2I2 grant to construct its autonomous robotic systems for maritime maintenance. With this grant, Fleet will build 5 robots and deploy them at the port of New Bedford to construct a new in-water testing platform. Fleet plans to add up to 3 new jobs as a result of this project.